Welcome to our tutorial on how to add tags in Asana, a video guide designed to help you manage your team's work, projects, and tasks online more efficiently. Today we'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video you'll be able to use tags to organize your tasks effectively within Asana. Let's start by navigating to Asana's homepage. Here, you'll find yourself at the gateway to organizing your projects and tasks. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Simply click on the login button you see on the page. If you've connected your Google account to Asana, which is a common practice for a seamless experience, you'll see an option that says Continue with Google. Go ahead and select that. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose your account. This is where you select the Google account you have or wish to link with Asana. Once you've selected your account, you'll be brought directly into the Asana dashboard. This is the command center for all your projects and tasks. Now, you're probably eager to get your tasks organized right away. To do that, let's find the My Tasks section. Click on it. This will show you a list of all the tasks currently assigned to you. Find the task you want to add a tag to and click on it to open the task's details. Looking at the top right corner of your task, you'll find 3 dots symbolizing more options. Click on those dots. Among the options that appear, you'll see one that says Add Tags. Click on it. This is where the magic starts. Clicking on Add Tags opens up the possibility to either choose from existing tags or to create a new one. If you're adding a new tag, simply type the name of your tag and hit enter. And there you have it. You've successfully added a tag to your task. Remember, tags can be an incredibly powerful way to categorize tasks across different projects. Want to see all tasks labeled with a specific tag? Just click on the tag and Asana will filter those tasks for you, making it easier than ever to keep track of specific types of work or priorities. So, why are tags so helpful? Well, they provide an additional layer of organization flexibility and filtering for your tasks and projects. Whether you're categorizing tasks by priority, phase, department, or any other criteria, tags help you and your team stay organized and focused. And there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to add tags to your tasks in Asana. We hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of Asana, making your task and project management a breeze. Happy organizing, and remember, a well-organized project is the first step towards success.